Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are taking a tour of the St. Catherine Correctional Facility. This prison, also known as the Spanish Town Prison, is 370 years old. 370 years old. I'm wondering if this is the oldest prison in operation in the world. I was really surprised to hear how old this prison is. So the calls are getting louder and more frequent for a new prison to be built in Jamaica. So guys, I want to ask you, where do you think they should build a new prison? And the price tag associated with the prison is $31 billion. But persons in the correctional department are calling for a new prison, saying the working conditions in these prisons are not ideal and the prisons are overcrowded. This prison is 370 years old, and the Tower Street Correctional Facility, or the General GP as they call it, is 179 years old. That one is located in downtown Kingston. So if they were to build a new prison, I'm sure they would close one of these two facilities. But I don't think they should rebuild the prison on either of these properties. This is prime real estate in Spanish Town. 370 years ago, the area was different, so they put a prison here. But times have changed. Spanish Town has grown. I think the prison should, if they decide to close this one and build a new one, I think the prison should be built somewhere else. Not too isolated, because you can have like a mini city built around the prison, but not somewhere that is prime real estate like what's here. Now, if they were to replace a Tower Street facility, definitely don't put the new prison there, because that is prime real estate on the waterfront, and that area has totally changed. The prison definitely does not fit that area anymore. So I believe it's one of these two prisons. So I want to ask you guys, which one do you think they should close? This one or the Tower Street Correctional Facility? And between those two prisons, these are the maximum security prisons in Jamaica. Between those two prisons, they house 70% of the inmates in Jamaica. 70%. But they're both old, and almost every day now you hear about infrastructure problems, you hear about it's not safe. So I think it's just a matter of time before a new prison is built. So the question is, where and which one of these facilities do you think they should close? So guys, leave your comments in the section below. Now, St. Catherine has a lot of land space, especially outside of the main town. So maybe this prison could stay in St. Catherine if they were to close this one. Not sure where you'd put the Tower Street facility. Maybe in... But you probably need it as close to Kingston as possible, because Kingston has the largest population. I'm not sure. So guys, let us know where you think they should put a new prison in Jamaica, where it should be located. Alright guys, and where they should put the new prison, and which one of these prisons you think they should close when they open the new one. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.